so I could get to that nut on the inside. That's 1.5 inches in there, 2.5 outside. Give me plenty of working room. By the way, use a 6-point socket. Don't use a 12-point because you're liable to strip a nut out. And this is a 3/4 or a 19. Okay. We're done. Let's see what happens. Oh howdy, I gotta get a more powerful impact back heading to the 1/2 inch. Alrighty, I've got the big guns this time. That's what it takes. Now you can bet some non-seize is going on there now. I don't know if you, yeah, there you can see it. There's a nut down there. So, okay, let's change the blade. Whatever you do, try to keep it on just the threads. You want to try to keep it off the shoulder of the bolt because then the blade is going to start slipping. Okay, see, I've got it on there now. I need to wipe that stuff off. That should keep it from getting on the shoulder. Now we need to put a new blade on there. The reverse thread. And boy, that stuff, even just a drop of it, it smears everywhere. One thing people do, they really bear down on that nut. Since the blade turns this way, the opposite of the nut, it's constantly tightening that nut up. So just remember that. I mean, yes, you do want to get it tight. Okay, well by golly, we got that done, thank goodness.